Hi, my name is Abby. I'm a senior at Baxter Academy and I'm the manager of our robotics team.
Hello, I'm Mata Stold-Nixon. My Flex Friday project for the past 2 years has been building a tiny house.
Hi, my name is Lang. I am a senior at Baxter, and this year I am working on a documentary series in conjunction with Parlay for the Oceans.
So my name is Isla, and I'm doing an internship at Winter Hill Farm in Freeport this year.
Hi, my name is Kimberly, and I'm a senior this year at Baxter. I intern on an aquaculture farm, so we grow things like oysters and kelp and scallops, and it's been a really fun adventure.
Freshman year, myself and one of my best friends, we designed 2 Alaya surfboards. The summer between my sophomore and junior year, I was flown out to Hawaii by Parlay to partake in their first annual Ocean Uprise Summit. And from that, I was able to forge a couple connections with different youth from around the world. And with that team, we worked to design natural and sustainable alternatives to oyster spacers, which are used in oyster cultivation around the world.
So I get to go to the farm every week and I get to do a lot of general chores. A couple weeks ago, I got to help with a pig who was having her piglets, which was really cool. And I'm also doing an online veterinary assistant course that's kind of pairing with some more of the academic and technical knowledge.
I think that interning on this oyster farm has opened up so many different doors for me. They have offered to help me start my own farm. I've met so many different people and I've learned so many different things about owning a small business and time management and just all the little things, and also just how to grow oysters and what that process is like.
Throughout my project, I learned how to stay motivated and stay on task. I also learned it's okay to fail.
The robotics team has been a really great project for me because it's given me a wide scope of seeing what's available out in the real world after I graduate high school, from engineering to programming to electronics, and it's been an amazing experience. It's opened a ton of doors for me, from volunteering opportunities to seminars, and I definitely have a better idea of what I want to do after I graduate.
I also learned how to reach out to people. I think it's so important to know how to write a formal email to people and just interact with people that you don't know on a personal level, on a professional level. And I think that's really important, that not many students get to really apply in their years of high school, and I think that's really special.
If you're a prospective student at Baxter, the Flex Friday program is definitely one of the biggest selling features for the school. You're able to take what you're learning inside the classroom and apply it to something that you're really passionate about. So it's an amazing opportunity, and I definitely recommend.
And my advice to incoming freshmen would be to be ambitious, be willing to try everything, reach out to as many people as possible. You'd be really surprised at how many people actually want to help.
One of the most valuable lessons that I've learned with my time at Baxter in the Flex Friday program and from the projects I've worked on is that it's so much easier to be productive and efficient and when you're working on something you're really passionate about. And that was something I kind of struggled with in not necessarily elementary school, but definitely in middle school. Was just, it felt like a lot of busy work and I wasn't being applied. I was just being handed worksheets. But when I came to Baxter, I was able to kind of hone in on my interest and apply myself to something I was passionate to. And I really think that that excelled me. And from the work I did at Baxter, I was presented with fantastic, life-changing, career-defining opportunities and connections that I wouldn't have otherwise had access to.